hey loves, welcome back. This video is going to be a prep with me. So I want this to be like a chit chatty video while we cook and prep. Currently in my sink I have some meat, fish kind of thawing out. I brought them out earlier this morning just so we can prep for cooking. I'm Nigerian, so we're going to be making a lot of Nigerian meals. So yeah, a lot of the things we're going to be doing is prepping. I'm gonna get all my appliances for smart cooking. This one is my Instapot. This is gold. If you don't have one of these, definitely invest in one, especially if you're cooking like most Nigerian meals. You see this right here? I think I use this, I don't want to say every day, I use this every time I'm making meal because it just makes life easy. So we have our onion right here. We have some ginger. I'll bring you guys in closer when we're doing a more detailed version, but I'm just gonna kind of put them here so that I can, my thought process works this way. So I just grabbed on my headphones just because I like listening to loud music whenever I am working or cooking. So I have my Banga paste, my Banga extract right here, you guys. And I also have my atarodo. This is for my Nigerian people. If you like spicy, stay away from this. So let's get into it. I've originally spent about 20 minutes like cleaning up the onion, prepping the ginger and doing the chopping. This is what I have right here. I have the mix for the pepper soup. I have this one that I'm going to have to cook right now so that I can prep it for the catfish. So this is going in right now. This is going to be the sauce or the base that I can kind of marinate the fish with so I can put it in the oven and be done, right? So the prep work for me is key. And then I have an extra one that I just did just in case this one is not enough, but I think I want to add some of this to the ram suya kebab mix. Does that make sense? Yeah, so I have enough base to get started with. Definitely done with this, so this can go in the pantry. Let me just wipe it off a little bit. That way they stay fresh and brand new. Left out some pepper because I think I'm going to be using this for the kebab. I'm going to dice it up with some onion as well. Put this to the side as well. Okay, I'm just going to grab my pressure pot and do a little bit of, shall I say, softening, right? Cooking. I'm gonna keep this to the side. Let me keep this here as well because I'm gonna spice it. But before I do that, let's get other things prepped and washed. Oh, this catfish is huge. Whoa. My kids, when they see this, they get so scared. Every time they're like, oh, what a fish! But this is so huge. It's bigger than I expected. I like how the catfish comes here. It basically comes packed. Let me show you another one. It comes packed and it comes cleaned. The slime is usually off. Like it's never slimy. Like there's no slime, so you don't have to do the whole lemon, hot water rinse. I don't know what they use. If you do know, let me know down in the comment section. But it usually comes cleaned. So whenever I'm doing bulk cooking, I like to use my stash. This is 1 out of 3 of my spice baskets, but I'm gonna just be picking up some spices that I could use to marinate the fish. Let me just grab my spoon to mix it up with. Obviously, onion is a must. This is gonna be the base for the fish. Some onion, some fish spice, just enough for 3. All right. Some ginger. I don't think there is a, okay, obviously people have cookbooks and manuals and recipes, but for me, when it comes to cooking, it's just experimental, right? You can try things in your recipe, and that's how people come up with new recipes. You can try new spices, see how it works for you, and if it works for you, incorporate it. But I'm just going to use the basics, right? The basic: salt, ginger, pepper. What else again? Add some thyme. Oh, oopsie. Some thyme. Actually, let me make this bigger. Use some thyme. Actually, these are really massive fish, so let me add more. What else do I want to do? Garlic, definitely. Be generous with it. I already added some salt as well. What else again? I think I want to use fish spice as opposed to my regular meat or chicken stock. So let me just use what I have here, because that would. So I'm going to be using a mix of fish spice. I'm going to be using this as opposed to using my Maggi or Knorr cubes. Just enough to get it going. Right? Oh, actually, let me add more, because that's a lot of fish. Like so. And I'm Nigerian. I'm Nigerian. I like my soya spice. I'm going to be using this one. I have a variety of soya spices actually, but I'm going to be using this one because this one has the best kick and the best, how do I put it? It's very spicy. So yeah. So let me grab my oil. I like the kick of this. This is really spicy, so just a little bit, like so. And now we have our spice base. Just gonna give this a good mix. Look at what that looks like. So flavorful. And this is gonna be our marinade for our fish. Perfectly incorporated. Gonna add my oil. This is canola oil, by the way. Just drizzle it a little bit. Perfect. So this is what we have going on. We have this beautiful paste. Yeah. So we're gonna slather this on the fish. Let me just let this sit in, and then I'm gonna kind of refill this bottle because it's already empty. So I'm just letting these are like my dried fish. I'm gonna soak it in hot water, but I'm letting the catfish kind of, what's it called? I don't want it to be too wet. So I put this paper towel underneath it so that way all the water can drip onto it. And I think it has dripped enough. It has been here for like, I want to say 30 minutes now. So now we can start with like marinating it. Right? Let me put on some gloves because we are about to get messy.